I've been following up with Mrs. Peterson for the past few weeks. She's making some progress with her recovery from the stroke, but there are a few concerns. She's been struggling with memory recall and seems very withdrawn. Her daughter mentioned that she's become more anxious about leaving the house.
That's concerning. Has she mentioned anything specific that's causing the anxiety?
She hasn't directly said much, but it's clear that she's worried about her ability to manage things on her own outside the house. I've noticed she gets overwhelmed even with small tasks, like going to the local shop. She's also been having difficulty keeping track of her medications, which worries me.
That's understandable, considering her cognitive changes. Have you had any discussions about community support or additional home care?
Yes, we're in the process of arranging a home care worker to assist her, especially with medication management. But I'm still concerned about the ongoing anxiety. It might be helpful to consider a referral for a psychological evaluation, perhaps to address her fears about independence.
I agree. A referral would be useful. Let's proceed with that and see how she responds. Mihira, I understand that feeling dizzy can be really unsettling, so let me explain what's likely happening. The lightheadedness you're describing is often related to a condition called hypotension, which simply means your blood pressure is lower than usual. Think of blood pressure as the force that delivers oxygen and nutrients to your brain and the rest of your body through your blood. When that pressure is a bit too low, it can mean a temporary reduction in blood flow to your brain, which is what causes the sensations of dizziness, unsteadiness, or feeling faint, especially when you stand up too quickly. Mihira, I want to reassure you that for many people, especially in your situation, this is not always a major cause for alarm. It's a relatively common issue that we can often manage well. The most important step for us right now is regular monitoring. By tracking your blood pressure and these symptoms at different times of day, we can identify any patterns and underlying causes. This careful observation is our key to creating an effective and simple management plan to help you feel more steady and secure.